In today's tech-saturated world, we are constantly surrounded by electromagnetic waves from Wi-Fi, cell signals, and electronic devices. What you may not realize is that these invisible EMFs are silently disrupting the inner structure of water and food, triggering free radicals in your body, destabilizing cells and accelerating aging. But now, a new technology is quietly changing everything. The ePlusOne app, powered by AI EnergyField System, torsion energy, and biophotonic frequencies, restores the natural crystalline structure of water, transforming every sip into mountain spring purity and vitality. It's not just drinking water, it becomes a protective field for your body. Skincare products activated through the water function are absorbed far more effectively by the skin. Water treated with the life recharging function becomes your daily energy mist. Just spray it 2 or 3 times a day to build an invisible shield. Harmonize EMF interference and realign your body and mind with nature. This isn't just protection, it's a full-body reset. ePlusOne app helps you reclaim natural balance in an age of modern technology. It's not just a water revolution, it's a new source of energy to fight aging in the electromagnetic era. Start now. Activate your protection field for you and your loved ones.